how to fix your payment method was declined after update. If you have this issue and then you want to solve it, then this video is for you. First of all, open your settings on your device and go through your Apple ID. Once you are there, hit on the payment and shipping, and if you have already added your card details, then remove it and then again re-add it by clicking on the edit option, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, go back to the Apple ID page and hit on the sign in and security. From there, hit on the change password option and then change your password. This also helps sometimes to solve this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.